Hello guys, in this video we're going to learn how to save a web page as a PDF on Edge app on Android. So open the Edge browser, open the website or the web page that you want to print and save it as a PDF. So let's say suppose this is the page that I want to save as a PDF. Now just tap on this three bar options, and within this go to this share command, and within the share you have this option to print. Now select that, and at the top you will see the save as PDF option. If it's not selected, you can select that, and there are other customization options like paper size and orientation and all other stuff that you can customize, and you can review the print preview how the web page will be looking. And once it is done, you can just tap on this PDF icon, and which will open the internal storage or a device storage folder, and you can choose where you want to save that file and hit on the save command, and which will save the PDF file. So in this way you can save a web page as a PDF file in your Android phone using Edge app. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.